and welcome to the coverage of the Cannes Film Festival here on Prudent Media. Well, the festival is in full swing here. What makes Cannes Film Festival special? There is the red carpet, there are the stars, and of course, above everything else, there are the films. But why is it that everybody wants to come to Cannes amongst all the other festivals in the world? What makes Cannes so special? Let's find out. Well, there are many things that make the Cannes Film Festival a very special one. To begin with, its history. It started in 1946, but it was just a matter of few years before stars, actors, directors from all around the globe wanted to be here at the French Riviera. And to its credit, the festival has banked on it and has become bigger, better and stronger.
The Cannes Film Festival is unlike any other festival in the world because it combines cinema, glamour, business and culture on an extraordinary scale. At the center of it all are the films. Some of the most anticipated works by celebrated directors premiere here, while new filmmakers from across the world also get a platform through sections like Uncertain Regard, Critics Week and Directors Fortnight. But Cannes is not just about watching films. The atmosphere itself is part of the experience. For nearly 2 weeks, the city transforms completely with film lovers, journalists, producers, actors and tourists filling the streets, cafes and theatres. The glamour of Cannes is equally legendary. The red carpet premieres at the Palais attract global attention with celebrities, fashion houses and photographers turning every evening into a spectacle watched around the world. The media also plays an important role in making the festival popular. Every major media outlet from the world covers the festival and there are more than 1600 media houses here at the festival.
Cinema and glamour often go hand in hand, and there has been absolutely no dearth of glamour at the Cannes Film Festival right from year one. So over the years, it has only built on that.
It's nearing midnight here at the Cannes Film Festival, but you can see a long queue already in place for a midnight screening. And well, you can see a lot of fancily dressed people as well.
Then of course there is the location. Cannes is an absolutely beautiful city by the seaside, and of course the weather is absolutely perfect, and who wouldn't want to come here to enjoy of course the place and the weather also, and not forgetting the films themselves.